So at the time of this recording, I currently have 3 motorcycles. My little Honda Grom clone, my Kawasaki Mean Streak 1600, my big cruiser, and my trusty Honda Shadow here. I was going to say trusty dusty, which it is a little dusty. Pollen's all over the place, which that can't be helped, so there's nothing I can do about it. And the nice thing about having multiple bikes is if there's something wrong with one of them, I got another one I can ride. The funny thing is, though, currently having 3 of them at the time of this recording, because I don't know when this video is going to come out, I can only actually ride one of these darn things, and that is the Honda Shadow. So if anything happens to this, which we had a battery issue somewhat recently, but if anything else happens to this, then I'm not going to have anything to ride. Because the little Honda Grom clone, the exhaust actually kind of broke in half. The aftermarket stainless pipe broke at one of the welds, which I ended up putting the stock exhaust back on it, but with the upgraded carb, it just will not idle to save its life. Like, it wants to fight me every step of the freaking way. So until I get an aftermarket exhaust again, which I'm not going to do because I'm going to 212 swap that thing, yeah, it's kind of parked at the moment. Or I can just run the header pipe without the mid and have it just be obnoxiously loud, which I kind of don't want to do because it's obnoxiously loud. And then there's the Mean Streak. What's going on with that, you ask? Well, I'm in the middle of a 16-inch ape hanger install, and I'm waiting on throttle cables because I have everything torn apart. I made the electrical extension harnesses. I rerouted the clutch line because it's a hydraulic clutch. Previous owner put a new brake line on it, which was long enough, so everything else is done with the exception of throttle cables. And I picked up a kit because I was going to try to make my own, which I picked up based on a recommendation for someone on one of the Mean Streak groups on the old Facebook. Said it was a kit they used and it worked for them, and I got this thing and I was looking at the fittings after taking the stock throttle cables off, and it's like, there's no freaking way. Because I was trying to learn a little something, you know, maybe save a couple bucks, put the cables together myself. Truly built, not bought, you know what I mean? So I ended up sending that thing back, and then I ended up buying cables from freaking Mean Cycles, which their estimated lead time is like a month. And since I already have the tank and everything off that bike, I don't want to... I would have to put stock bars back on it, put everything back together, and then when these cables came in, take everything back apart, and I don't want to do that. So, much like the Vader, she's going to be hanging out in the old garage as well. Which, when it's done, it should look really freaking sweet. Like, I'm excited. I'm excited to have a bike with apes again, because I had apes on my Shadow Chopper at one point. It's a set of 12-inchers. But since I got the 8-inch over forks and the additional rake up front, it kind of didn't quite look right. Super comfortable, though. And actually, I put the same set of 12-inch apes on the Mean Streak at one point, but they just weren't quite tall enough. That was kind of sitting similar to where these bars are. These are 4.5-inch rise, and I got some TJ Brutal Customs 4-inch finned risers. Affiliate link in the description for those guys, because we are in the affiliate program for TJ Brutal Customs. Something on their site's caught your eye, you can use the link in the description or code LuckyAcesRiding at checkout to save 15%. And even though the Mean Streak's kind of like the Shadow, you know, they're both cruisers. The tank is a little longer on the Mean Streak. The triples are a little further away from the seat. So the whole angle of the bars is a little different, which is why I think those 12s never really worked. But I'm excited, man. I want to ride that quite a bit this year. That's my plan anyway. Or at least, if nothing else, getting it back together. Because, I mean, what's the point of having multiple bikes if I can't ride all of them? Yeah, that's kind of the reason I like having multiple bikes. You can work on one, or if one has an issue, you still got something to ride. And I'm not going to call the Honda Shadow my backup bike, mainly because this is still like my main thing, you know? This is still my main ride. It's kind of like a beginner bike, and I just kind of hung on to it because I think it's a good long-term solution if you don't want anything like super duper powerful. Kind of does everything you need it to do. And if you'd like to hear more about that, you can click on this video right here. And as always, y'all be good. See ya.